Next topic is input. Anything given to the computer, such as data or instructions, is known as input. There are two methods of entering data and instructions into the computer. Direct input, a method in which data is entered directly from source to the computer, is called direct input. For example, a speech enters into the computer directly through microphone. The devices used for direct input are called source data input devices. Scanning devices, digital camera, and microphone are examples of source data input devices. Indirect input, the method in which data is entered with some intermediate handling, is called indirect input. The data entered in computer via keyboard or mouse are examples of indirect input. Input devices. An input device is a hardware component that is used to enter data and instructions into a computer. Input devices take data and instructions from the user and convert it in form that is understandable by the computer. There are three general types of input devices: keyboard pointing devices, source data entry devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. Data is mostly entered using a keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. A standard keyboard contains over 100 keys. A keyboard contains numeric keys, alphabetic keys, function keys, and special purpose keys. A standard keyboard is normally called QWERTY keyboard. This is because the first 6 keys on the top row of letters on these keyboards are QWERTY, main parts of keyboard. The keyboard in most personal computers have the following main parts: the function keys, main keyboard, numeric keys, additional keys. Function keys. Function keys from F1 to F12 are used to perform special functions. Their functions depend on the software being used in the computer. Main keyboard. The main keyboard includes the keys found on a typewriter keypad. It also contains some special keys. The special keys have different uses and effects that depend on the software being used. 101 key enhanced keyboard. 101 key enhanced keyboard has some additional keys between the main keypad and the numeric keys. It also contains status lights in upper right corner. ESC key. ESC key is used to terminate a command or current task. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is a toggle key. The characters appears in uppercase. If it is pressed, the characters appears in lowercase. If it is not pressed, numbers and symbols are not affected. The status light under caps lock turns on when it is pressed. Tab key. Tab key is used to move the cursor to next tab, stop. Shift. Shift keys. Shift keys is pressed in combination with other keys to produce uppercase letters and the upper symbols shown on certain keys. Control keys. Control key is pressed in combination with other keys to execute commands. For example, Control plus O is used to open a new file. Alt keys. Alt key is also used in combination with other keys to execute commands. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to delete single character on the left of the cursor. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. It is normally used at the end of a paragraph. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are located on the right side of most keyboards. The numeric keys are used for two purposes depending on the status of numlock key. If numlock key Numlog is on the keys are used to enter numeric data and mathematical symbols like plus, minus, star, slash. If numlog key is off, the numeric keys are used to move the cursor and perform other functions as 1 and it is used to move the cursor to the right corner of screen. 2. It moves the cursor down one line. 3. PGDN. It is used to the cursor one page down on the screen. Number 4. It moves the cursor one character to the left. Number 6. It moves the cursor one character to the right. Number 7. It is normally used in word processing or text editors to move the cursor to the top of the screen. Number 8. It moves the cursor one line up. Number 9. It is used to move the cursor one page up on the screen. Okay.